Welcome to our lesson on NoSQL databases. Today, we'll explore their significance in data science and how they differ from traditional SQL databases. NoSQL databases are defined as non-relational systems. They store data in various formats, such as documents and key-value pairs, allowing for greater flexibility and scalability. This quote emphasizes the importance of NoSQL databases in modern applications. They are crucial for managing big data and supporting real-time analytics. There are several types of NoSQL databases. Document stores like MongoDB and key-value stores such as Redis are two common categories, each serving different use cases. NoSQL databases come with several advantages. Their flexibility allows for dynamic data models, while high performance is essential for applications that require rapid read and write capabilities. NoSQL databases are particularly useful in big data applications. They excel in handling unstructured data and support real-time analytics for timely decision-making. Let's take a look at NoSQL in action. Many companies use NoSQL databases to manage their vast amounts of data effectively. Despite their advantages, NoSQL databases come with challenges. Issues with consistency and the complexity of queries can pose difficulties for users transitioning from SQL. When comparing SQL and NoSQL, key differences emerge. SQL relies on structured data, while NoSQL supports both unstructured and semi-structured formats, allowing for more flexibility. In summary, NoSQL databases offer versatility for various data types. As data continues to expand, they will be vital for effective data management in the future. Some popular NoSQL databases include MongoDB and Cassandra. MongoDB is renowned for its flexibility, while Cassandra is designed for high availability and scalability. The architecture of NoSQL databases often involves distributed systems. This design enhances data availability and fault tolerance, making them robust for large-scale applications. When deciding between NoSQL and SQL, consider your use cases. SQL is best for structured data, while NoSQL shines in scenarios requiring high-speed operations. The future of NoSQL looks promising with growing adoption across industries. As they evolve, NoSQL databases will provide innovative solutions to meet modern data challenges. In the realm of data science, NoSQL databases play a vital role. They support diverse data types and integrate well with analytics tools for enhanced insights. The NoSQL ecosystem comprises various tools and technologies. These enhance the functionality and usability of NoSQL databases. To deepen your understanding of NoSQL, consider exploring online courses. Official documentation also serves as a valuable resource for specific databases. Engaging with the community is crucial for learning NoSQL. Forums and local meetups offer opportunities to ask questions and share knowledge with others. To optimize your NoSQL usage, focus on effective data modeling. Additionally, regularly monitoring performance metrics can help you identify and resolve potential issues. The NoSQL landscape is constantly evolving. Keeping up with trends will help you stay informed about the latest developments. In conclusion, we've covered the fundamentals of NoSQL. Understanding its role in data science is crucial, and exploring specific databases will enhance your practical knowledge. This quote highlights the significance of NoSQL in data management. As we move forward, grasping these concepts will be essential for success. As we conclude our lesson on NoSQL, remember its importance in the data landscape. Embrace these concepts as you continue your journey in data science. To further your learning, explore advanced NoSQL topics. Engaging in hands-on projects will provide invaluable practical experience. We encourage you to share your thoughts and feedback. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to assist you. Thank you for participating in this lesson on NoSQL. We hope you found it informative and engaging. In our next module, we will dive deeper into data analytics. Stay tuned as we explore more exciting topics in data science. This quote encapsulates the essence of data science. Embrace continuous learning as you progress in your journey.